In today's video, I will walk you through how to make an organizational chart in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Open Google Sheets and open a spreadsheet. Create 3 columns named Employee, Position, and Reports to. Under Employee, type each person's name. Under Position, enter their job title. In Reports to, type the manager or supervisor they report to. If someone is at the top of the organization, leave that cell blank. After your table is ready, click anywhere inside the data. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and select Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically. On the right side, the chart editor will open. Click Chart Type, scroll down, and choose Organizational Chart. Your chart will update instantly. Make sure the correct data range is selected and includes the Employee, Reports to, and Position columns. If the chart is too small, drag the corners to resize it and move it anywhere on the sheet. If something looks wrong, check the names in the Reports to column for missing or misspelled entries. And that's how to make an organizational chart in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.